going to the left. You see the chevron alignment signs, they're on the right. This means the road goes to the left. Now we're on a straight part, but we're in the middle. You're going to see more chevron alignment signs on the right. That's those yellow signs with the slash. And then we have school zone signs. Sorry about that. And school zone crossing. This is where you're supposed to walk. We're maintaining its speed. The road is crown shaped. So when it rains, rain will roll off to the right on both sides. We got a sharp curves to the left. So we want to reduce speed. So the chevron alignment signs are on what side? They're on the right. R-I-G-H-T. The road goes sharp to the left. Yes. Hey, how are you doing today? What is going on? Let's talk about establishing reference points. I'm looking at the white car ahead of me. I'm going to get over to the right, and I'm going to make a right turn. So I'm scanning, and I want to go on under 15 miles an hour. And I want to go into the nearest lane. That's to the right. I'm going to accelerate through. Now I need to get over to the left lane. My blinker's on. I'm going to get over to the left. This is called a J turn. And I'm going to stay to the inside. I have to come up and stop. And then I'm going to show you what I'm doing. I'm looking. I will wait. The cars are coming. I'm going to show you the cars. You'll see them. You'll see those cars. And we're just going to wait till these cars go by. And when I turn, I will be in the inside lane. If you start in the inside lane, you stay in the inside lane. If you start in the outside lane, okay. And I'm going to accelerate out. This light has one light burned out. It's a little bit confusing, but we have a green light. We want to gradually get back up to speed. Let's talk about determining gaps in traffic. Determine a minimum distance, time, and space for maneuvers on a 2-lane road. This is a 2-lane road. Next, complete left or right lane changes in light traffic. I'm going to turn on my right turn signal up. I'm going to get over one lane to the right, and I cancel my blinker. You need to be able to do that maneuver without slowing down or speeding up. We're concentrating on our path of travel, straight, curved, or hills. I see brake lights ahead, so I'm off the gas. I'm taking my time. Also, if it was the school zone, this light would be flashing, but we're in the summer. Enter an entryway from the curb side. This is you making a turn in the nearest lane. We want to be right at the speed limit, which is 50 miles an hour. We don't want to be over or under. If you're over, you'll get one warning. That could be an automatic failure. I'm scanning the intersection. I'm checking for a still green light. Do not change lanes in the middle of an intersection. That's a very dangerous maneuver that could result in a failure. I'm using the ball of my foot. I'm squeezing my brakes. Don't rely on other drivers. Rely on yourself. Apply proper stopping position in residential and rural. We're doing that right now. Determine the minimum time and space. We're going to count from the light, 1001, 1002, 1003. We're about 3 seconds away.